Greetings again, fellow nerds. It's Motor City Games here again with my boy, and we have a booster box of Shadow Era Dark Prophecies, the second set, or first expansion, I guess. Yeah, the case is a little worse for wear coming from eBay, but that's okay. It happens. So just take a look, and we're going to go ahead and get right to it. So go ahead and get your knife and all right. So you're going to see kind of more of the same from the last Shadow Era video. Go ahead and open it up. It's going to have the advertisement at the top for the game with the logo here, the shadowera.com. Once again, I recommend playing that game on your favorite device because it's actually a lot of fun and it is completely free. And it has a good, nice, active community. So let's split these up. We're looking for foils. They do a great job. 15 cards per pack, and the code for the shadowera.com. And take a look. If anybody who watches this plays the game and wants some of these codes, go ahead and comment on here, and I will DM you, PM, whatever the kids call it nowadays, 10 of the codes for free because I've got hundreds of them. So and you'll see the listed information, alert and table, same quality as the first set, well, pretty much the same smell, same pull rates and everything, but they have two legendary cards. You see the set says out of 150 down there, and there actually is 152 cards, and I've only, in opening 5 or 6 boxes, I only got one of each legendary. So this is probably one of my favorite pieces of art in the entire game. I just think it's a beautiful card with a knight on there. And so my first rare is the Wulven Savage here, and they added a lot more different allies, more darker, and wolves and werewolves and such. And one thing about this set is they have all the heroes have been reprinted with new artwork, but if you flip them over, they're double-sided. So here is the hero from the first this is the hero from the first set right here, the crystals, as you see there, Lance Shadowstalker. But then they have new artwork for the second set, which I think is pretty cool. You can kind of pick and choose. They have the same ability and everything, same life points, but it's just a neat little touch. So we'll put the heroes there.
First to start us off, we got
Here's your rare. Wendith Eagle Eye Ambush. So it's kind of a first strike-ish thing.
Sure.
Similar. Jericho, Spellbane, Chris Jericho, and show them again crystals, which the first set, and then I think that's much cooler artwork, but that's just me. But I like the option. You can pick this. I mean, some of this artwork is just, I think, is really cool. It's just different, and especially now with the AI generated art, it just kind of stuff looks so, I don't know if fake is the right word, but it's just not like it used to. That's why one of the things that Sorcery is doing so well, the artwork on that is just gorgeous. Yeah, and it's just, the artists have different styles for different artists instead of everything looking the same. Oh, look, another Wendith Eagle Eye. Okay. Thank you.
And these will be going to some lucky person, so.
Alright, 1, 2. Change of plans, outwitted. Payday. We all know that. Yeah, I mean, if I could get this one in a foil, that would be pretty sweet. Another night. Oh, see, here we go. See this? It's 151 out of 150. So here we go. I spoke too soon. This is one of the legendary, so I now have 2 of these in 6 boxes. So
Alright, let's see this one. I like this one.
that's pretty cool.
This is our rare right here.
There we go. It's Paladin of Unaxio. Nice. Oh, I see that. Nice. Celestial Armor foil. That is cool. See, I like that. I like that foiling. And if it catches the light just right, I like the detail on the tunic there too. Alright. So we'll take that here. And part of the Spear Warden, that's beautiful. Forgiveness. I mean, there's a story and everything that goes along with this. If you play online, the ShadowEra.com, each hero has their own campaign, which I think is really cool. So it makes the game completely different for each hero. Fleet-footed Messenger, Ascendant of the Hero, and Thoughtful Investment. And here's another one. Here's Zaladar.
Alright.
And then his other artwork. Alright. Calvin's Charm, Magma Jackal. That's pretty cool, actually. I might actually start playing with that one. Because if he's killed, he kills the guy who kills him. Rust, Weevil, Flesh Infusion, Infinity Core.
And this is our epic today.
Nice.
First epic.
Rotham's Visage. Blood Moon Dot. That's a sweet, sweet card. I'd love to have that in foil. Treasured Heirloom is my rare. Alright.
And this is pretty cool. You get
We
to
got one rare
choose one of
foils
these
before.
two.
Gravebone.
And then the other one.
Rotting, Devoted to Lightbearer, Artful Squire, Battle Hardened. Yeah, it must be that one artist, Victor. Fetch, it looks like. It's got just that medieval style that looks amazing. And it's just, the art's different enough that it doesn't blend in with other games, in my opinion. Braxonian Temptress, Boys and Their Toys. Lowest Burden, that's an epic. Alright, and Bane Bow. That's cool. A little Jason the Argonauts kind of feel to that. Bloodstained Water.
Pretty cool.
Oh, there's a foil in this one. Bounty Hunter, Snare Trap, Mass Purification. And I like that you still get your rare. It doesn't take the place of it. Death Collector. That's pretty sweet art. What's a Crystal Titan? Nice. That's some nice artwork on that one too. That would be a sweet foiled.
Yeah.
All right, and
Sure,
okay. Well, it's a foil. It's not my favorite artwork. Treasured Heirloom, but it's still a foil. So far 2 out of the 5 that you can expect. I've only ever gotten 5 in every box. So, Bloodstained Water, Survival of Life. There's the Thunder. Conduit. That's nice art too. Another Paladin. And yeah.
Alright.
Good. Contaminated Water, Synchronicity, Nowhere to Hide.
Blinding Storm, Tollbird.
Jade of the Forest, Agent Rex. Perfect Shot, that is a good card.
And our rare.
Wulven Savage. Alright. Killing Spree, Spirit Warden, Braxonian Soldier, Rolling Boulders. Try Herald Soon Command, Anthony. Divine Connection, Ascendant of the Hero, Wild Berserker. Yeah, don't.
Here you can make your choices.
Alright. Stay. This guy's just too slippery to stay, so that's why he's a Wild Berserker. Alright, so oof. Undying Bond. Barbarian. Yeah, you can definitely make a cool werewolf deck with all these guys, and some of there's 2 different werewolf heroes as well. Here's another epic, Kairos Doombringer, and they save some of the most epic art for the epics, no pun intended, which is pretty cool. Right. Yeah. You can just go through it quick to get to the rare.
These are rare.
Frosted Urigan. Cloak of Obscurity. Alright.
Hero.
Alright. And that's Silent Strike. So see, you need to, with things like this, you're putting armor on your hero to protect it while you're battling their creatures with your hero and your own creatures. It's definitely quite different from Magic for sure. Banish Breastplate of Vitality. Yes, that's good. It gives all your allies armor. Here is, I think, one of the coolest looking heroes. Is Moonstalker here. This Wulven. I don't actually call them werewolves.
You sure will love the last one.
Okay.
Okay. I already saw a comic list over that. Hope you don't see any more. Here's our epic.
Gwendler's Double. Alright.
Alright.
Banebow is just a hero. We already looked at him. Oh, look at that. Kairos Doombringer. Nice foil. That is cool. Nice pull there. So we have 2. Twisted Friendly, Forgiveness, Shatter Ice, Magma Jackal. Change Fortune. Lightning Hunter, Bloodthirsty. Good card, but I think some of the worst art in the entire set. I get he's supposed to have like a giant mouthful of fangs, but it just, I don't know, maybe he's wearing a weird COVID mask with artwork on it. I don't know. So there. Oh, and I got a foil on this one.
The Firewalker. Snare Trap.
Here's your rare. Weimer the Lionheart. That's a nice piece of art. Alright, and here is the foil I pulled, Cloak of Obscurity. So, not too shabby. Nice foiling. The ones with the fire, though, and the lightning and electricity, it really jumped with the foil. So there's one more foil in here. So, I'm going to take from your pile. See who gets that last foil. Nope, not me. Oh, this card. Oh no, that's. I thought it was from the rollers when they print the cards, but no, it's supposed to be ringing. Uncommon, rare, Howlfang, Terror of the Veil. There you go for your Wulven decks.
Definitely not me, so it's the last pack.
Last one. Go ahead.
Alright.
Yes, here's another hero. See, that's
werewolf. Hero are rare.
Punisher's Gauntlets.
This looks like a lovely arm.
Of course, Wulven Studios, so it only stands to reason they're gonna have werewolves. Go ahead and open the last pack, dude.
See what I have in the last pack?
Yep, the last one. It better be a foil. Or maybe on this one, but I doubt it. Otherwise, this is the first box in 6, 7 that didn't have 5 foils. Alright, here we go.
Let's get a
There's our rare. We're Black Rose. I'll take the rare. There's the hero.
Our hero.
Oh, you got the, and there's the foil. Fan of Blades. That's nice. That's a pretty looking card, and only I don't think we got a single regular Fan of Blades in the whole box, so that's one of the rare cards. And then let's take this.
Epic.
So yeah, this is nice. 150 out of 150. So there we go. Our 5 foils. It holds true still. 5 foils per box. There's our rares and epics, our codes. So thank you very much for watching this. And again, even though I have nothing to do with Shadow Era, I do recommend shadowera.com to play the game for free. I have it on my phone, and enjoy playing that just about every day before bed. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this. I appreciate your time, and thanks for joining me, dude. And all right, have a great night.